Hi there, welcome back to our Phone Metrics, where we do B2B SaaS teardown videos and try to identify a few conversion leaks that might be costing businesses a few $1,000s every single month. Today, we're going to be talking about Marky, which is basically a platform where you can do on-brand content creation, scheduling, and analytics, and it's powered by AI. First of all, we can see that the headline is very clear and it states exactly what you're going to get. It's very transparent, and the subheadline as well. The good thing that they're doing here is trying to immediately trying to get your business website, okay, and basically get you a flavor of what the platform is able to do, right? And also they also give you the option of continuing without the website, meaning you'll be able to try the software one way or another. But obviously the main thing is that it is a way for them to get your contact information. It is very smart because it wants you to get invested into the platform for initially, and then at the end, it's probably going to ask you for your contact details. And it's a good way to maximize the number of opt-ins because the moment that a prospect has spent a good 5 to 10 minutes investing themselves into creating their account, they will probably finish off by writing by actually providing their contact details. Okay, and here they've got a really nice animation of how it works, which is really cool. Here we see a strong element of credibility in terms of the 4.5 average rating on Captara and 4.8 on G2, right? Stating they've got then 100,000 brands growing with Marky. And here they go more in depth about how you can use it and how it allows you to generate posts, a post you can schedule and publish your content and collaborate and analyze your data as well. So here they go more in depth about how it works, and they also got some stats about how it's trusted to publish 1 million posts across 30,000 channels. Apparently, if you're going to save 8 hours per week, you're going to get 3.4x greater post engagement and a 60% faster growth rate. Now you can also see another element of social proof in terms of the testimonials that the business is getting. For example, this lady is saying how after years of a total hatred for social media posting, I've landed on marking. She couldn't be happier. Now she doesn't dread social media posting, and she looks forward to it. She looks forward to it because Marky does all the heavy lifting. So these are really powerful elements to have on your website to get the prospect eager to work with you guys. This is also a really good pricing section because each price is very clear and transparent, and the prospect can go and read each feature individually, and they can make an informed decision about which tier is best for them. And then if we scroll down, what's good is that they've also got a frequently asked question. Frequently asked questions are very powerful to handle any objection that a prospect might have about making a purchasing decision or even just jumping on a sales call. And, it's a good thing. For example, here they say that it supports more than 100 languages, including Spanish, German, French, Arabic, and more. Okay, so that's really cool. If, for example, you were wondering whether you could use this software in your own language, right? Which is not English. And here again, they get you to enter your business website to get you to engage straight away, which is good. And I think they do pretty much a lot of the things right. As I said here, they got about the delete magnet to get them to invest them even more, but this is good anyway. But yeah, other than that, I think this is the end of the video. I hope you guys like this. And if you are a SaaS founder who would like help with increasing your conversions, click on the link down below. Otherwise, I hope you have a nice day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.